How to change Zoom display name before and during meeting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Zoom app. Now to change your name before the meeting, go to the profile icon on the top right. Then tap on profile. Tap on my profile and it will take you up to a uh, page in browser. There you need to go to edit option on the right side and then you can change your name. So hit save. Now to change your name during the meeting, first things first, join a meeting. Now, to change your name during the meeting, you need to go to participants and then you'll find a name there. Just tap on the three dots and then tap on rename. And then you can just hit change. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.